Hello, my name is Khalid Zakaria. Uh, I am diploma in early childhood education. Today I'm gonna present about moral and spiritual development. Okay, the first, as you can see, the contents: introduction, spiritual development, and moral education. Factors affecting social development, children. Conclusion and reference. First, introduction. This assignment is about spiritual and moral development in ECE. In this slide, I will be discussing about the spiritual development and moral education and factors for affecting social development of children. Okay. Moral and spiritual development definition. Based on the Jean Piaget theory, 1932, there are numerous ways to describe spirituality, and it has been separated from religiosity by reflecting personal inner experience rather than adhering to external rules or practices that may be associated with a particular faith tradition. Senate 1998. In order to allow a discussion of potential connection between spiritual and cognitive growth in adulthood, various representative theories of spiritual development will be explored in the parts that follow, with key aspects of this idea being highlighted. Next, moral development is the process by which children internalize their society norms for right and wrong based on social, cultural, and legal standards. Piaget viewed moral development as a constructivist process where moral notions are created through the interaction of action and intellect. As we can as we know in this definition, that Jean Piaget in the spiritual talking about the religious, that is what our culture is like, what we believe in, like is God exists or they are anti what are their connection to the God or to their culture. And then for the moral development is about how do we react or do something in our own ways, like maybe problem solving or making up a plan. Okay, next, importance of spiritual development and moral education in school. Education need for spirituality in order to improve the caliber of instruction and learning is influenced by a variety of cultural, religious, societal, and personal elements. The purpose of this study is to explain the element impacting the spirituality transfer in education process, because description of these factors can strengthen faculties and promote the transfer of spiritual notion through teaching. Furthermore, helping children and young people develop a set of views and values about what is right and wrong might be characterized as moral education. Their goals, attitude, and behaviors toward other people and their surroundings are governed by this set of beliefs. Children who receive moral education also become more inclined to behave in accordance with these attitudes and ideals. Fundamentally, it helps kids consider what kind of individuals they ought to be and how they ought to act. Although Many individuals associate this question with religion, moral education programs, view religion and morality as fundamental separated. Okay, next. Factors affecting social development of children. Okay. A child's social development is governed by the culture and society in which they are raised. Children from different cultures therefore exhibit varied societal reaction. The school. The socialization of the child is influenced by numerous school-related aspects. The socialization of a kid is greatly influenced by interpersonal relationship in the classroom, the institution tradition, goals and ideals, extracurricular and co-curricular activities, the social skills and behavior of teachers and classmates, and etc. Next, the family. The family is the child's most significant first-line socialization agent. The youngster imitates the action of the parents and other family members deliberately or unconsciously, picking up a variety of positive or negative social traits in the process. Okay, next. Also, is the family one. The child's social development is also influenced by the parent-child connections, the language that parents use, their educational backgrounds, their socio-economic situation, the availability of spare time to spend with them, and the size of their family. Lastly, peer group. The peer group meets a variety of demands, including those related to belongingness, renown, recognition, and other aspects of childlike acceptability and achievement. A supportive peer group, especially in pre-primary courses, is very beneficial of acquiring positive traits. The youngster learns through peer group contact how to cooperate, how to lead and follow, how to think for a shared goal, and how to cope with difficult social situation. Okay, let's see the conclusion. In a nutshell, spirituality is separated from religiosity by reflecting personal inner experience, while moral development is a constructivist process where moral notions are created through action and intellect. And then the last thing is the reference. Okay, thank you so much.